Welcome everyone, welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we are going to do Yong tofu. Yong tofu is a Hakka Chinese cuisine which can usually be found in all hawker centers around Singapore. It usually consists of tofu, which is stuffed with fish paste or meat mixture. I had gone to the wet market earlier and I've got all these ingredients. Let me show you what are the few ingredients I have over here. Few tofu stuff. Fish ball. This is tofu which is mixed with fish paste. I think this is a bean skin stuffed with some prawn and fish paste. So there are many different types over here. You can usually find this in the wet market or supermarket. All this can be cooked by boiling it in a water and then mixing it together with a sauce, or we're going to add in a soup base. So today we're going to show you how to make the soup base. Let's look at the ingredients right now, guys. Let's look at the ingredients needed for the soup base. 1 chicken stock cube, about 3 cloves of garlic, we have chopped it finely, spring onion handful, salt to taste, sugar about 1 teaspoon. This is ginger about 2 centimeters which we have bruised a little, and Ikan Billis, anchovies which is about 2 tablespoons which I have also pounded. Okay, we have fried some shallots. Okay, this will give it an additional oomph to the soup. And there is water. We are going to be using 3 liters of water. This is maybe about 500 ml, but we will add in more later to make the soup base. As you can see, the water is starting to boil. We are now going to add in all the ingredients to the boiling water. First, I'm going to add in Ikan Billis, ginger, chicken stock cube, and 3 garlics which I've chopped earlier. A teaspoon of salt, salt to taste, and spring onions. We are now going to we're going to put the fire into simmer. We have to let the soup simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. The longer it simmers, the more delicious it will be. The base will be more tastier. So at the end, we'll show you how with the rest of the tofu and the other ingredients. We'll be also adding in some spinach to make it a healthy dish. Let's look at it later, guys. Have fun and happy cooking!